Are you zipping around, Jack?
He was.
He says, I'm not zipping. I'm just standing here staring behind Dad. Geek.
What are you doing, Irene?
Holding a camera because my husband said I should take a picture of myself.
Where are we going?
Oh, I have a dentist appointment this morning. I had the thrilling experience of breaking a tooth while eating a pancake, so that tells you that...
My pancakes aren't that hard.
No, there was nothing hard at all about that pancake. It didn't even have nuts to be able to have a nut shallot or something like that. The tooth had finally just had it, but this morning is going to see the dentist.
More fun.
Not really. Dentist is one of my least favorite places on the planet.
Do you realize that in the last week, I've driven 900 miles?
Oh, I can believe it. Because we just thought we had everything done, and then the stupid pharmacy calls to tell you that
my medication's
your medication's ready. And
finally.
You're like, okay, great. And then you get down there and you find out they didn't even give you a full thing. And you're like, really? Wonderful.
Not so wonderful.
Yeah, really. So Jack is strolling back in the back seat. He's going to be so excited when he finds out he gets to go visit his buddies today.
And we try to give him a play day whenever we come down, but I couldn't do it for the last week.
Well, it only really works if we can leave him for a while, and he's been rolling in the gravel a lot, so he's kind of pink right now. So it's about time to get him a bath anyway. So I said, yeah, let's get him a bath and a play day. So that's what they're expecting him for. He's got an appointment today. Oh, they ripped apart the restaurant here again. Nothing lasts there for about more than actually, I think that one lasted a year. And we just missed the dentist office.
I just missed the dentist office.
Fortunately, we're not late, so we have plenty of time to drive in a circle. We're getting down to my territory here, where sometimes cool things happen. Like I get to go play with my buddies. Oh, the goats are not out yet this morning. Jack says, where are we going? Where are we going?
See, does this one go through? No. Goes through where it's supposed to go through.
Yeah, this one goes through here.
It does, yes it does.
They really need better signage, to be honest. You can't see it until you're right on it. And then you're going, is this one of the ones that goes all the way through, or does this go the other direction, or, yeah.
Rush hour traffic.
Yeah, well, it's morning, and probably a bunch of people are running late for work. They have to be there at 8 o'clock or something.
And Jack says, I don't want to be late. I don't want to be late.
That's right. I don't think his doggy place opens until 8.
Well, whatever time it opens, it opens.
Great. Oh, that's a cool VW van down there. That front V on it is painted beautiful purple color.
Oh, nice.
Pearlescent purple, not just regular purple. I do not want to take him out here.
I'm not going to let him out.
Good, because this place is full of burrs. I must have taken me a month to clear the burrs out of the back seat. Oh, let's see. They're sticking up in 6 directions because it was still wet when I got in the car.
just dropped off Irene at the dentist, Jack at the doggy daycare. Time to go back and pick up Irene. Another day on the homestead. We're gonna go find out if the fan worked while we were gone.
88 down here. We're gonna be about the giant Brazil hibiscus. Pretty cool, huh? I'm really looking forward to those. They should be magnificent plants. Still clean. I have managed to pick up a little bit of yard trash.